Hello, hello everybody. This is Kartika. Today I will tell you that how you can print table of numbers from 1 to 10 using for loop in C++. Earlier I have told you that you can print a table of a particular number using for loop. But now today I will tell you that how you can print a number of series of digit, a table of series of digit like from 1 to 10 using for loop. Okay. So now we go and let's start the project. To print table using for loop part 2. Part 1 was that in which I have told that you can print a table using a particular number. Okay. Now create. Yes. Delete this stuff. Let's see. See, this is simple coding, and if you know C++, then you can easily write it. And if don't know, then simply learn that in but C++ program you have to write hash include iostream as a header file, and then this, and then main, and the whole content comes in the main function only. I will be deleting this. This is not necessary. Now it's fine. Okay, now I will tell you that how you can make a table for series of digits. Let's first make for series 1 to 10, series of digits 1 to 10. Okay, first declare two variables I int I comma j for loop. Now cout session, we are going to print a table of numbers from 1 to 10. Fine. Or like using for loop. Okay. Now first of all write the first for statement. This for statement will give you the number, first number which needs to be multiplied. That is, if, let me write first, if I is equals to 1, uh, I less than equals to 10, and I plus plus. This whole means that it will start from 1. Okay, and this will print the table of 1. Then when it will get initialized, then the table will be of 2. So the number for which we are going to print the table is given by this first loop statement, and the next number, that is the multiplicative numbers, uh, are given by this statement, that is j is equals to 1, j is less than equals to 10, and j plus plus. Many of you may be thinking that how it is working, how will it work. The both I and j statements are quite similar, nothing different instead of nested for loop statement. So for each and everyone who are seeing my video, I will be telling them using the should say that output screen. But before that, I would like to tell you that it is not too messy thing. It is easy. So please just focus it on, and like I will tell you here that cout I star j, it would print a table of I for every j. That is, it will actually it will print a multiplicative product of I for every j. That is, like if we are going to print a table for suppose I equals to 1, then what do we want? I ones are sorry, what I'm saying, 1 ones are 1, 2s are 1, 3s are like this. For that, I need that in the statement 1 cross 1, 1 cross 2, 1 cross 3, 1 should remain the same each and every time, and the digit behind that cross, like 1 cross 1, 1 cross 2, that is that needs to get changed each and every time. So for that, I have made these two loops. From the first loop, the first digit would come, that is 1, which is ahead of cross, and then from the second loop the second digit would come from, which is behind the cross, and each and every time the this loop gets initialized, the digit would change, that is 1 cross 1, 1 cross 2, 1 cross 3, which will make a particular table what we require. So nested loop is required here. For everyone, j will be moving from j1 to j10, and that what we are requiring. If you are still in doubt, then you can be easily clearing your doubts using the output stream. So it is not too typical to um, wait for it. Just see what I am doing. Now let me make it to clean your selection. um, yes, I cross, where is it? Yes, then j, then now it's I will be writing I star j. Okay, here we must tell the user that viewer, maybe the user or viewer, that which numbers table it is. The table is of number I. Okay, let me put a slash in here. Now it's um, let's see what happens now. See, the output is running, program is running, and now yes, this is the output. Now I will tell you that what I want to do. See, this is the all stuff what I have written. Now the table of, oh sorry, what I have written, instead of if, it should be is. No problem, in the next output it will be changed. See, I want to say that this one, this number 1 is coming from the loop, first loop, this loop, and this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this what which is changing, is coming from this second loop. Actually, for every one, there should be one, all the digits from 1 to 10, it, and that would be satisfied using only a nested loop statement, which is this for loop j, and without it, I think you can't be able to print a table like this. For this, you need to write a particular nested loop. First of all, write a because you want to print the table of all the digits from 1 to 10. That's why I have made the program run for I 1 to 10, and in a table we print for 1 to 10 digits. That's why like this, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's why the j should go from 1 to 10 also, and for everyone there should be one these digits to print a table like this. So it is so simple to print a table for the digits, between 1 to 10, and you can print a table of any number you want. You can change this like this. You can change it like maybe 100, but it is too large, so maybe at 20. Now see, we are going to print table of all the numbers from 1 to 20. Now see, here is a table of 20, 19, 18. You can print the table of any particular number that I have already told in my last video. For that you only need a single loop, and you can easily print that. And for printing a series of tables, you can quietly print like this. If you want to print the table from 10 to 20, so for that you can change this, initialize the I from 10, and the last condition may be the condition be this, I less than equals to 20. Now the program succeeded. See, the first table is of 10, the last table is of 20. So simple to print the table. So please guys, do test it on your own, and please do remember this simple code, and please like, share and subscribe my video so that others can see to it and make their doubts clear. Thanks guys, bye.